Hey, this is our new Hyundai Tucson, and whenever we start the car here, we get this service interval thing on here. It says service needed in 9 days. So we're going to figure out how to turn that off. So right here, if you go to your display here, hit setup, and go to vehicle, and then go to driving convenience. And then under driving convenience, wait, no.
I don't think it was driver convenience.
It was, oh, it was convenience. Okay, so not driver convenience, convenience. And then it was service interval. Click on service interval. It says enable or reset. So we can leave this enabled so it'll come on again the next time, I guess. But we're going to reset it for right now. And it says here duration. You can actually set the duration, which is kind of cool. But we're going to call and make an appointment for our next service. We're going to reset this so it doesn't come up every time now. So we're going to hit reset. And now it's reset. Service interval is reset. And now the duration is 182 days. And the distance is 6,000 miles. All right.
Okay.
So that's how you do that. And then if you want to go home, just hit the home button there. And
that's pretty cool.
Go back to your radio or media or whatever you're playing. All right. That's it. Talk to you guys later.
Thank you, Pittsburgh Pat.
Well, let's find out then. Let's do it. Let's do a little test to make sure. Okay. Turn it on. And it usually comes on here. And it doesn't come on. So we're in good shape. All right. Way to go.
Thanks, Pittsburgh Pat.
You're welcome. Press the like button.